As of this year, last day of December 2024, 410A refrigerant is gone. This summer, one of the leading manufacturers in compressors actually had a little bit of an issue with their manufacturing line, so it killed a lot of our 410A systems. The manufacturers were preparing to have 410A systems readily available to carry us into the beginning of next summer, 2025, but with this compressor shortage, we actually ate through most of the stock already. So now manufacturers are just automatically gearing up for the new refrigerant coming our way. And what refrigerants are coming our way? We have two refrigerants. The most important and the best refrigerant is R32, and I'll tell you why throughout this episode. And the other one is 454. 410A, the refrigerant that we're currently using right now, is a blended refrigerant. And there's a lot of restrictions with blended refrigerants. You can't just top these off. It messes them up. So you need to fix the problem. You need to drain the system of refrigerant, clean it all out, and factory charge to specs so that the blended refrigerant is correct. If not, it's not going to operate properly. And how will you know if it's operating properly? Well, just so you guys understand, air conditioning systems are tested in a clean room at 95 degrees. I don't know about you, but that is definitely not any day of our summer. From Memorial Day to Halloween, the oven door is open here in Arizona. And we experience temperatures as low as 95, but definitely as high as 120. Our record temp is 122 several years back. So we're relying on air conditioning systems that are clean room tested at 95 degrees. We're also relying on builders to install systems correctly and to make sure that they're sized appropriately for the square footage. And as most people find out, that's not the case. So making a choice for a new air conditioning system is very, very important. The new refrigerant 454 that's coming out is a synthetic blend, 69% R32 and 31% of the 1, 2, 3, 4 that we find in our cars.